filtering for upcycle sewing. I am just obsessed with doing red, white, and blue. We are coming up on our 250-year anniversary next summer, and it is just my feeling as a strong patriot that everyone needs to have something red, white, and blue in their wardrobe, if not a couple of things. I am an estate sale and a thrift store shopper. I have now limited myself because I've got oodles of stuff, trunk loads full of stuff, bins worth of stuff. But you have to put it together. You've got to pull it together. So I'm going to do this quick video to show you how I go about that. And I truly believe it's all about color and the value of the color and the undertone of the color. Believe it or not, this short, fairly small, it may even be a kid's sweatshirt, is really just a soft, dark rose or soft red. It just looks washed. So when I am looking at other things and it's a cool undertone, and I pulled this top out, and this red is definitely an orangey red or a warm undertone, so can't use that. Look how this more intense red just doesn't go with this soft red, so won't use that. But one of the last things I pulled out was this eyelet. Do you see how nice and soft intensity, which is the brightness or dullness of a color? Then I started looking in my ties. Well, can you see the background color of these clash? It's the undertone of the color. Won't use that one. Same thing with this one. But from a dish towel, I've got several of these stars left. I think there are 3 floating around here somewhere. And the soft colors on this dish towel. Although this is more of a maroony red, which seems to go with this tie, which goes with this tie. I kind of hit pay dirt when we went to visit some old friends last weekend, and I was sharing with them what I was doing and how much I love to use ties. He said, well, I'm not wearing my ties. Let me go get you a bunch. So we did. Yes. And some were red, white, and blue. Here's a pair of dark jeans, but here's a pair of softened, washed out type jeans. So at this point, I really feel I've got these stars, maybe not. I've got this, I believe it's a skirt, and these soft jeans. Now, furthermore, if I start to look, if I use this, it's got curves and rounds in it. Do you see the scalloped edge and the circles? Those scalloped edge and circles, to me, conflict with the geometric sharp lines of the stars. So if I use this, I probably won't use these. Oh, there's the others of them. On the other hand, oh, and here's an idea. I'm always looking for ideas, and very frequently old me has to print them out. But do you see from the side seams of jeans how they frayed that up? I could create a softened star or some kind of neat design line with jeans on this, so I might keep that out. I've got another sweater over here, and do you see how much better these reds go with this almost burgundy red? The colors don't come out quite as true here on my phone as they are in reality. More pictures that I've pulled out. Look, here's just the top part of jeans. More ties. I keep all of my red, white, and blue buttons in a bag. I keep all my pieces of things in a little container. Jeans, I've got a whole trunk full of jeans, and then these are men's shirts. But you have to just kind of limit yourself somewhere. So in addition to the garment I'm working on now, I'm going to put everything away except for this eyelet bottomed. It is a top, yeah, it's a top. And this sweatshirt, which I'm going to definitely have to make bigger somehow, and these washed jeans. And if I need something else, I may well keep this idea, There's also the idea of jeans of flowers. You see the round shapes here? I could do some of that kind of work on this. That would repeat the curved line designs. Yeah, I'm liking that idea. So I think maybe this will just be more of a feminine type red, white, and blue garment. I hope that helps. That's how I go about filtering for upcycle sewing. This is Londa from Londa's Creative Sewing, londas-sewing.com, where I love to create one-of-a-kind things, handmade here in America. What I sell, I help fund LifeWise Academy, which teaches school children about the love of Jesus. That's what I'm about. Thanks for joining me.